Hello everyone, my name is Liu Xiangwei and this is my presentation for my assignment, which is the course Cloud Computing Security. So my assignment topic is analyze security measures across the cloud data lifecycle, which includes the six phase, uh, which are create, store, use, share, and also archive, and lastly is the destroy. So I will choose Microsoft Azure because it provides strong identity management, solution, governance tool, and aligns with standards like NIST, SP853, and CIS controls. Yep. Okay, so let us move to the data lifecycle. Right, in each phase, for create phase, Azure applies data classification and TLS 1.2 or above encryption and use Azure keyboards for secure key management, and Azure AD conditional access and multi-factor authentications ensure only verified users can create or upload data. Yeah. So the next phase is the store phase. In the store phase, Azure protects data using AES 256 encryptions at rest and role-based access control, and network restrictions on storage accounts. Then Azure also supports immutable storage with WOM to preventing unauthorized changes. Okay. For the next phase is the use phase. Alright. The use phase, data must be decrypted to be processed, making it vulnerable, and Azure secures this phase using TLS, Azure Firewall, and the Defender for clouds. Yeah. So conditional access and continuous monitoring ensure secure and compliant usage for this phase. And next, the phase we proceed is the share phase, right? So in this phase, Azure reduce leakage risk using Microsoft Purview information protection, DLP policies, and also Azure AD sharing permissions to control who can share the data. Share those. Yeah. And next, we will move on to the archive phase. In this phase, is for long-term retentions. So archive storage keeps the data like encrypted data durable and protected with warm retention policies, so that the access to archive data is tightly controlled and audited. Finally, we move to the last phase, which is the destroy phase. So in this phase, Azure will use the cryptographic erasure by deleting encryption keys, so data becomes unreadable. So next we move to the interdependency and also the case study. So all phases are connected. Weakness in one phase affects others. So in a real world example is the ChaosDB vulnerability, where a misconfiguration exposed two access keys. This began in the use phase but impacted store and share phases, following the importance of securing every stage. So uh, in this assignment, it helped me really a lot to understand that cloud security is not just about encryption or multi-factor authentication, which is MFA, but a complete lifecycle is approach. Azure demonstrates how identity, encryption, governance, and monitoring must work together under zero trust. Okay, so that's all for my presentation. Thank you.